So you've done the self-help and you've dipped into some personal development, but now you ask the question, now what? What can you do? Well, if you want to escape the apathy, step right this way. So twice a year, I teach a course called Autonomy. It's a 12-week personal development and training course. What people get out of it is multifaceted. There's curriculum, there's exercises, there's camaraderie, you make new friends. There's a whole lot of interesting things. We're going to hear a sample from the course right now, and let's take a look at the value these students are getting. The real conversations start with questions. And that's what the week 3 exercise starts with. And the questions that I have you guys ask each other are meaningful and substantial. They're not super personal or private, but they're meaningful and substantial in a way that you're going to be able to bond more quickly and readily than in any other environment you've likely been in. College, high school, corporate. Like, you're not going to make friends and make contacts in a meaningful way as fast as you can here because of the structure of the exercises. But the importance is there are people who need that structure and they fall back on it heavily, right? They're usually introverted, analytical, emerald people. That's part of my personality. That's why I know that so well. We also procrastinate. That's part of that. So we, show me the outline. I need to know this. I want to read it ahead of time. Whereas other people were like, oh, I get what you're trying to do. Let's have a conversation, right? So being able to go from the analytical and get into that organic ease that you've got because you're a teacher and you do it all the time, I think is something that other students are going to admire and want to aspire to.
Everyone's doing some kind of self-help these days, and you can find a million self-help courses out there. Most other courses out there are hosting lectures. They're hosting videos. They're maybe even doing Q&As. And these are great starting points to encourage learning. But at Autonomy, we believe that hands-on practice is the best way to really lock in what we're learning. There's no better way to gain confidence and mastery than through action. After each lecture, we practice the concepts we've learned with other students, giving and receiving feedback in a non-judgmental environment. The result is mastery of concepts like entrepreneurship, ethical sales, and self-reliance in an environment that directly translates to the real world. Plus, you make connections with other like-minded individuals who are learning right alongside you, and you have a lifetime membership in the community. The Autonomy course with Richard Grove equips you with confidence, competence, and courage in a world filled with confusion and noise. You can learn more at getautonomy.info. We'll see you there.